Hi there, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Diane with South House Designs, and this is my husband Doug. And I wanted to introduce you because he's going to show us how he prepares one of my new favorite dishes. Doug retired about 6 years ago now, and that's when he took over the massive proportion of the meal planning, the cooking, and the meal prep. Aren't I lucky? I have to tell you, at the beginning it was a little iffy, a little dicey, but yes. He's come a long way in 6 years. And tonight, part of our dinner is mashed cauliflower, and I love it. I think it has much more flavor than mashed potatoes, and he has it down now to where it has that creamy substance of mashed potatoes without the starchiness of the mashed potatoes. And what all do you do?
Well, right now I'm prepping the cauliflower. I'm trying to get rid of any of the brown spots because I don't know if they're necessarily bad for you, but I don't like them. And then I will rinse the cauliflower, and after a little bit I will steam it, and I steam it for about 15 minutes.
We have our steamer pot here. It's filled with water, and it has this little steamer basket in it. He just puts it on the stove top with the lid on it. 15 minutes.
Yep.
And then the magic is?
Put it into a blender or Cuisinart, something like that. And then we just mash it until it's very smooth. In the meantime, while it's also steaming, I use butter, saute 6 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
And then...
That's why it's so good.
Yeah.
Garlic and butter. Who can argue with that?
So then once I'm getting the cauliflower into the blender, and as it starts to get creamy, then I just pour the whole thing, butter and garlic, in and continue that blending process till it's really smooth.
Okay.
And after that, I just take it and I put it on the stove to keep it warm, and can mix in a little Parmesan cheese if we want, or if we don't. And also 3 tablespoons, if I remember, of Philadelphia cream cheese.
Pretty good chunk of the Philadelphia cream cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
That's it.
Oh, probably salt and pepper.
Nope.
Oh, no salt and pepper.
No
wow.
salt and pepper.
And I have to tell you, it is delicious. I will have all this written up down below. So I hope you enjoy it. And maybe you'll see my husband on here again with his next specialty.
Probably not.